Chapter 3 of the Customer Value Handbook provides tools for measuring and managing customer value. If you cannot measure customer value, you cannot manage customer value. This process includes creating customer value based on value drivers, value equation, and a value proposition, measuring customer value with value analytics, value metrics, and delivered value, and managing value using value maps for brand positioning and value pricing. Chapter 2 examines the qualitative tools used to identify value drivers, while Chapter 3 is focused on tools to measure and deliver customer value. Let's start with relative value and how Pete's Coffee Shop used value drivers and a value equation to estimate Pete's performance of 82. The same value drivers and value equation are used to estimate the performance of Pete's competitors. This produces an average performance for all four competitors of 79.6, an average price of $6.93. Relative performance is performance divided by the average performance times 100 and 103 for Pete's Coffee Shop. Relative price is price divided by the average price times 100 and 102.5 for Pete's Coffee Shop. Relative value is a difference between relative performance and relative price, and for Pete's, a value index of plus 0.5. When relative performance is higher than relative price, relative value index is positive, and when the relative performance is lower than relative price, a relative index is negative. When the relative performance equals relative price, we have a fair value. Basically, you get what you pay for. A second customer value analytic is economic value. This is a dollar metric based on the difference between an estimated fair price based on performance and selling price. The economic value for the Subaru Crosstrek is $6,905 based on a fair price of $35,600 and selling price of $28,695. A fair price occurs when the fair price equals the selling price and the economic value is zero. When the selling price is higher than the fair price, the economic value is negative. When the selling price is lower than the fair price, the economic value is positive. The economic value map provides a tool for managing delivered value, competitive position, and value pricing. A third customer value analytic is the total cost of ownership. This value analytic considers the total cost of acquiring, owning, and disposing of a product. For example, the annual cost to own a mid-sized sedan is $9,151 based on the ownership costs. When ownership costs are benchmarked against a competitor, we can estimate ownership value in dollars based on net savings. For example, AirCap Wrap can save 65 cents per shipment for this customer application, despite a higher price. A fourth value analytic is lifetime value. This customer value tool is appropriate for long life customer durables and B2B products that include a variety of ownership costs. For example, the lifetime value in today's dollars for the company is over $24,000. Cash flow for the company's brand over 7 years is shown below. Using a discount factor of 15%, net present value of the cash flow is computed in today's dollars. Shown below is the net present value of costs over the 7-year product life and insights into the value equation and lifetime customer value.